Hello, my dear friends of Symphonic Brass Music, and good morning. I just installed something, as you might see and might hear. It actually sounds better. Yes, it does. Holy shit. I ordered these the last week because when I got my plan for the room, the diffusers that should go there and now are there, the multifusers DC2 by Acoustic, and they replaced them with DC3, which are only available in 4, and these are available in 6, and I wanted to have 6 and obviously not 2 spare, so I ordered them very spontaneously, these 6 lovely panels for a good price. I know that the DC3 are pretty much the same, they just have another fitting and come in 4, not in 3. So, yeah, and I want to tell you how it went, the installation, and it went pretty easy. Big shout out to Acoustic. This is made properly. I mean, if you get the package, you're a bit underwhelmed because, well, it's just sort of this foam thingy, and you think, well, I might have gone for the cheaper solution by the own brands you get and cheap solutions you get, but I think no, because you have these fittings, they're made, very, detailed. Can't tell how I should say it. I feel they are worth the price. Absolutely. And yeah, I just wanted to go for my acoustic anyway. So, and the setup was pretty easy. As you see here, I guess I have some footage now, me standing on a ladder. What I did was just glue on the back, put it on the ceiling, waited a few seconds, and that's it. I measured out where they needed to go yesterday with some painting strips here, so I knew where to place them. Placed the first one in the center, and then the rest was easy to do. So this is seriously completely easy. What I want to talk about now is the sensation of listening in this room, standing in this room and just talking. And again, this is me saying, don't clap, just talk, and you hear the immediate difference. There isn't this much ringing in here. If I stand here and just talk, there's very little of this ringing left, which used to be here. I used my trusty software. What's it called? Frequency response, REW is it called? To measure out frequencies with my trusty measuring mic. with every panel I put up, and there's not much happening in the SPL, so in the frequency range. It's a bit cleaned up in the mids, around 400, 550, 600. There's a bit of a cleanup, and also up at 1K, which I really like. Not much happening here. We're talking about half a dB at 1K and like 1 dB and roughly 600. But the really nice thing is the RT30 curve. So the reverberation time in terms of frequencies, and this is flattening out a huge amount in the high mids and mids, however you call it. So up 500 up. That's really flattening it out, because there used to be a resonance from the ceiling to the floor. So from here to here, and also the speakers, they are here. So I put the camera right in the angle that the speaker went. So they went up there on the ceiling in this corner, sort of, and then reflected on that wall and reflected down to me. And I got rid of this now. Because there's this diffuser spreading it out, and it sounds more even. That's sort of a word I would use. So I'm really happy to buy them, to have bought them. Really happy. I'm gonna get some plants by Vicoustic. A big shout out to Vicoustic. Great company. Because I did this proposal, and because of COVID and everything was a bit, I can't afford all these panels at once. I will get the measurement plan for this room by the end of the month, and I will talk about this in another video as well. So these are my lovely diffusers now in the control room, and I'm really happy. More to come soon. Thanks very much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.